Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're going to put together a winter capsule wardrobe. And if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go shop. Start off with this white button down from Time and True. I actually have this one, but I think it's an essential piece for a capsule wardrobe. It has the smaller collar, full button on the wrist, scoops in the middle with the seam in the back. Comes in white, the purple and white stripe, and then also the solid black, and they're $15.98. Another good button down is this one from Scoop. So it has this smaller collar, full button, the 2 flat pockets, button on the wrist, scoops, perfect for year round. Has that seam detail on the back, and this one doesn't have a tag. I'm pretty sure these are like $23. I have that one. Button down shirt from Free Assembly. It has the smaller collar, full button on the wrist seam with the seam in the back. These are $22. Also going in the men's department for this chambray shirt because there's none in the women. So this one's from Wrangler. It has the smaller collar, full button, the 2 flat pockets, button on the wrist, and it's going to be an oversized, nice, longer fit. I just sized down 1 or 2. These are $17.98. And for tees, I'm going to go with this one from No Boundaries. Has that scoop neckline. This is a long sleeve. You can also do short sleeve. Those short sleeves $3.98. Long sleeves are $4. There's gray, taupe, burgundy, red, blue, green, and then that darker gray blue. I'm going to go with this light gray. Short sleeve, I'm going with the white, and these are $3.98. Like I said, in the short sleeve they have white, baby blue, the yellow, some new spring colors, that brighter blue. There's green and red. And then the next tee, I'm gonna go with a print. I don't know which one I should do. I think I'm gonna do the strawberry just for like a fun mix. So this one has that crew neckline. It's from No Boundaries, ribbed and stretchy. I have this one and that floral and then a couple solids. But this new strawberry, I think this pink is also new. How pretty is that one? There's green, burgundy, gray, teal, red, and they're $7.98. And then for sweaters, I think I'm going to do this stripe one. There's not too many left because they're trying to get rid of the winter stuff. This one's majorly marked down online. It has that scoop neckline, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom. I think these are like $7 online. Also, we're going to get some black options. This is a turtleneck from Time and True. These are also marked down online. It folds over once, fitted through the body, also through the sleeve. I'll have the other turtleneck also length. They're regularly $14.98. This one's down to $9.98. I know there's limited sizes. So I'm going to do this plaid jacket. I think it ties in a lot of the colors. And these are also marked down online. They have the smaller collar, full button. I think this is $13 online. Because the seam in the back also comes in black and white. There's the camel and white. So gonna go with this coat from Jessica Simpson. This one has that oversized collar, lapel, drop sleeve, relaxed wrist. This one's on sale in store for $33, regularly $46. I'm not sure if it's marked down online. It might be. Also going with this vest from No Boundaries. So this is a sneak peek item and has that mock neck quilting, the toggle, seam fit through the back. Comes in the ivory, also in the pink. I think I want to do the pink. They're $14.98. I know a lot of you guys would prefer the ivory, and you could definitely do that, or even like the Time and True or Avia option. Blazer is a new one from Free Assembly. It has a smaller collar, lapel, the 1 button, relaxed through the wrist. Maybe I should have did the blue back there just to change it up, but I think you can do more outfits with the solid blue. These are $38. I don't have many cardigans left, so I'm gonna go with the Time and True. This is the lightweight beige. I know they restocked this online. So it's open front, has the 2 front pockets, ribbed wrist, nice length through the back. These are $14.98. And also the black chenille. These are on sale online. It's open front, that super soft like woven materials, the 2 front pockets. Comes in black, burgundy, there's olive, and these are regularly $17.98, but I'm pretty sure these are on sale online for $12. And then for denim, you guys know I love the Melissa flare. So for the Melissa wide leg, they have this dark wash. These are $24. They're nice and stretchy. And then for black denim, I'm going to do the Time and True. This is the straight in the solid black wash. Oh, it's the skinny. I think they don't have the street here. Okay, so they have the light denim in the street, so we'll get these for $17.98. They also have the mid-tone. Online they also have black. Then for black, we're gonna do the Levi's. This is the high-rise skinny from Levi's and Strauss. These are $24.98. For a light denim, I like these from Time & Tru. This is the jegging. They're elastic pull-on, fitted through the leg, perfect to wear with your higher boots. I'm seeing everywhere that they're now back in, even though we still continue to wear them with our boots, because how could you wear them? But they have the gray, there's camel, black, olive, some denim options, burgundy, and they're $12.98. And also gonna do a Time & Tru faux leather legging. You guys know I love these. They're just very easy to style. Comes in the black, also in the brown. These are on sale for $10.98. And then for boots, I'm going with these from Madden NYC. These have a little bit of a square toe, chunky heel. They're $35. We could do the Time & Tru. This is the Look for Less Birkenstock. They have that buckle. The footbed bottom also comes in black. And then I'm going to keep it simple and just do one pair of sneakers. So we'll grab one of each. These are $19.98 from No Boundaries. They have a lot of other good colors online. The store always has the best jewelry. They have these new long necklaces. I think these are usually $7.88, the longer ones. And this new black stone. The clover with the pearls. I have this little like white, it says 32 inch. A new like multi-bangle, it's like combined set with the silver and the gold, which I love. And then also new are these stretch bracelets. It's a 2-pack. These are usually $5.88. New Pioneer Woman jewelry. So they have this 2-pack. It comes with the little cowboy boots, also the little trees with the flowers. They're $12.94. They have this new bracelet set from Pioneer Woman. It's $14.94. And I love these cuffs. They're $14.94. How pretty is this necklace set? So you get the necklace, the bracelet, and the earrings. It's $24.94. And then they also have this bracelet set. It's $19.94. Bangles are going to be $19.94 and you get 4. And they also have a gold option and then a gold option in the necklace set. These look so pretty. It's like the gemstone bracelets. It says there's 4 and they're $19.94. Brought back the totes from Time & Tru. So they're a little different. The strap is like a faux leather material. Also comes with the shoulder strap. That front compartment, the side compartment. These are so nice for the price. On our trip down from New Jersey, driving down, I had to lose mine. I was so sad just because we just didn't have enough room. So it comes in the ivory, also in the black. They're $24.98, but the quality on these is so good. And then also in that same material, they brought back the little mini backpacks. These are $19.99 in the green and black. And then they have a crossbody strap in that same nylon material in the black, green, and ivory. The ivory has the gold hardware. And they're $17.98. Shoulder bag from Time & Tru. So this has that asymmetrical slant with the buckle. Top zipper, it's a pebbled look leather in the black, brown, and red. These are $18.98. New bag from Pioneer Woman. So this reminds me a lot of a Look for Less. Has that snap closure and the side pocket. These are only $24. New fedoras, how pretty, with the rhinestone from Time & Tru. They are $16.97. Holiday hair clips from Time & Tru. These little velvet blows with the pearl and the green, black, pink, and red, and they're $6.97. And then rhinestone headbands from Time & Tru in the clear, the thicker black. The clear is not as thick. The brown is also thick, and the red. Those are all $8.97. And then they have this braided style with the rhinestones in the white, and then oh my goodness, how cute is the pink, and then a black fur headband, and that one's $7.97. Faux leather headbands from Time & Tru. So this has a black fur trim, and then the camel has the ivory, and these are $7.97. And they brought back the Sherpa headbands for $7.97 in the black and ivory. I love that oversized sweater headband in the peach, and then they also have a super soft chenille in the white, taupe, gray, and black. New belt. So this is a 2-pack from No Boundaries in the brown with the gold, and I think the 2-pack is 10. We also brought back this 3-pack with the black, green, and beige. I like these because you can get them up on your ribs. You can have them lower rise, so they work for all rises and dresses. And you get the 3 for $12.98. New holiday hat and scarf sets from Time and True. So they have the rhinestone beanie with the scarf in the burgundy, also in black, and they don't have a price. Now we're gonna do some outfit options. So I'm not gonna include the accessories with this just because I think it's gonna be too much and you kind of get the idea, but the accessories definitely are gonna like finish off all the looks. So I'm gonna start off with the first top, that white button down. We have it with the Melissa Flare, the shacket, and then the Time and True little mules. Pretty sure I did a similar outfit idea and everyone really liked it. I think I did the No Boundaries Western belt that I've shared before. Now we have the same shirt with the shacket, faux leather leggings, and boots. And the lighter denim with the shacket and the sneakers. The black cardigan, gray jeggings, and then the black boots. And then the cardigan, light denim, and the sneakers. The white button down, the Jessica Simpson jacket, black skinny jeans, and then the knee-high boots. I love this one with the Jessica Simpson jacket. This is the mid-rise straight, and then the Time and True mules. The navy blazer, white button down jeans. I think because it's a flare jean, you can still wear your knee boots, just cover it over. And you could do it with the gray jeggings. You could even do these boots. Love the pink, white, and gray, and then the white and black sneakers. The Time and True mules with the Time and True straight leg jeans, and there's a lot more you can do with the white button down, but I think I'm gonna move on to the next shirt. Next, I'm gonna do the free assembly striped shirt, so I paired it with the cardigan from Time and True, the Melissa Flares, and then the Time and True mules. The black cardigan, black skinny jeans, and the knee boots. The blazer with the lighter jeans, and I'm just gonna leave these shoes all lined up so you can kind of like make up your own decision. There's a lot of options. The jacket with the light jeans. Next, the pink vest with the black turtleneck, black jeggings, and then any of the show options. I love this one, the Melissa Flares with the Jessica Simpson jacket. The black cardigan with the gray skinny jeans. And the faux leather leggings with the Time and True jacket. I'm gonna do the strawberry long sleeve T-neck. So I love the way it looks with the pink and the navy together, and then the light blue denim. The Melissa Flares with the Time and True cardigan. I think I would like the Birkenstock mule dupe. That one with the beige, but you could really do any of them. The sneakers will be cute. The black skinny jeans and the shacket. I like how the pinks kind of match, and the green. I think I would do the sneakers. Also the pink vest with the gray jeans. You could really do how cute is that with the sneakers. I'm gonna do the chambray shirt now. I have it with the shacket and the black skinny jeans. I think I don't like this shirt because it's buttoned up all the way, but you guys get the idea. So the black cardigan, gray jeans, and the faux with the beige Time and True cardigan. I think all the shoe options work for that one. And then a little denim on denim with the navy blazer from Free Assembly. Doing the white T-neck, so there's the Time and True straight jeans, and then the Jessica Simpson jacket. And I think all the shoes work. White tee, shacket, and the dark Melissa Flares. Time and True faux leather leggings with the beige cardigan. And then the black cardigan with the gray jeans. I love the navy with the camel and white stripe, and then I have it with the Time and True straight leg jeans. And then I have the shacket with the black jeggings. I love the way that plaid looks with the stripes. And then the Jessica Simpson jacket with the Melissa flares. And then the last tee, I need to hurry up because I'm gonna get somebody in trouble if I don't put all my stuff away. But this was just an idea, this video. If you guys like it, let me know in the comments. I came up with it today. I didn't realize, you know, how much it was gonna entail, but let me know if you think I did a good job executing it and if you get like what I'm trying to do. But they have the gray Time and True jeans with the pink vest, Time and True faux leather leggings with the Time and True Chanel cardigan, Time and True straight leg jeans with the beige cardigan. I love beige and gray together. It works with all the shoes. And then the black jeggings, gray tee, and the jacket. But I'm gonna end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.